Over $130,000 selling can coolers. So this Etsy shop right here, Southern Edge PS, they have made over $130,000 selling just can coolers. That's it. So as you can see here, they have over 12,500 sales on Etsy. Gonna scroll down and see all their items over here. Just gonna scroll through so you can see what they look like. These are actual photos, but you also see that they have some mock-ups there as well. I'm gonna keep scrolling down and let you see what those products look like. They have a variety of colors, and the only supplies you need for this, honestly, are, heat transfer vinyl, those can coolers, and a heat press, maybe some Teflon sheets as well. But that's about it. They have very strong reviews, over 2,400 reviews. And I'm just going to go down. I always like to look at the about section. So again, over 12,000 reviews or over 12,000 sales, open since 2019. And then they do have links to their Instagram and Pinterest accounts. So just going to go back up and I'm going to actually click on Analyze Shop. And this is how I was able to determine approximately how much this Etsy shop has made over time. So Everbee is a platform that allows you to look up keywords and do some research when it comes to your Etsy shop or other Etsy shops as well. So I am analyzing this shop. I clicked on the overview tab. Monthly, they're making about 227 sales, about $963 per month. You can see the price breakdown. Most of their items are within that $1 to $4 mark. And then overall, you can see that this shop has made approximately $136,000 over time. So you can also look at their listings to see which ones are selling most often. Here you can see when it's sorted by revenue, this koozie right here or this can cooler right here is bringing in the most amount of money. You can also see, the total sales, reviews, the listing age, how many favorites that item has, so on and so forth. You can also click on their tags. Tags are very important to, include in your product description when you're setting up your listings on Etsy. So you can see some of those tags. You can also see like the volume, search volume, also the competition number as well, and the keyword score. The higher the score, the better you will probably rank for that keyword. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to that Etsy shop and just do a little bit more digging. So I'm going to go back down to their Instagram page and click on that. I do like to see how active Etsy sellers are with selling their products on social media or marketing their products on social media. You can see what that looks like over 600 posts on Instagram, about 454 followers. So this shows that you definitely need a social media presence, but you don't have to go super hard on it. I can almost guarantee you that, this Etsy shop is just getting by, through either using Etsy ads or they're just using those keywords to draw a lot of traffic to their Etsy shop. Gonna click on their Pinterest account to see what that looks like. As you can see here, not very, very active on Pinterest. It looks like they've recently posted some things on Pinterest as well. But yeah, Pinterest doesn't seem to be a huge platform for this Etsy shop. So again, overall, this Etsy shop has made over $130,000 just selling can coolers. These are very inexpensive. You can get them on Amazon in a variety of colors. You can come up with your own designs if you know how to make your own SVG files. That is absolutely amazing. And then if you can personalize those can coolers as well, that will probably make them stand out a lot too. I'll click on this one so that you can see. This one is a personalized one, and as you see, 17 people have it in their cart currently. Just going to scroll down a little bit. Um, they ask you how many sides, so you can charge additional if you print on both sides of that can cooler. Gonna click on the images over here just to see what that is looking like. They offer a variety of colors, more colors. They offer a variety of fonts as well. Yeah, so lots of photos, and that's another good thing about Etsy. They do allow you to add a lot of different photos. The more photos you add, the better. So it allows customers to get a better feel for what they're gonna be ordering. For this one, because it is personalized, they do have this personalization box. They tell the customer to, paste in words, graphics, fonts, the color, all that different type stuff. Gonna scroll down some more, look at the item details. Yeah. So I hope that you all enjoyed this quick Cricut business success story of this Etsy shop selling can coolers to make over $130,000. As always, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know down below if you have any questions or comments. Let me know if these videos are helpful for you. And again, thank you for watching.